Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. So as you can see from the thumbnail, I just downloaded Red Dead Redemption 2 and obviously went ahead to open the game and to play it. But unfortunately for me, I got into a problem where technically when I try to open the game, as you will see right now, I get an error from the Rockstar game from the Rockstar Games and services, and so I did a little bit of digging, and the solution to this problem is very easy. So if you are getting this problem too, error failed to connect to Rockstar Games library service. If you continue to see this message, please contact Rockstar. Blah blah blah. So the solution is very easy, and there are two methods that you can use to fix this problem. The first one is very easy. Basically, you just close Rockstar at this point. You go to the search bar, and in here we type services, and we need to go, I messed that up. We need to go to services, and in here we go to Rockstar. In here you will find, where is it? Rockstar. Okay, Rockstar Game Library Service. As you can see, in my case, is disabled. I haven't disabled it. I don't know why it did disabled. Maybe it's because I did the latest Windows update or for any other reason. If this service is disabled, there is your problem. So technically you just double click on it, you go to startup type and you select automatic, then you click apply, and then you hit on start because we need to start the service. Then we click on OK, and this service should be running and automatic. And this is it. Basically, this would fix your problem immediately. But if for some reason you are still having the problem, there is another thing you can try. Basically, we go back again to search and we type in msconfig. Okay, then we go to services again. We hide all Microsoft services. We find Rockstar again, Rockstar Gaming Library. Now you can see it running, but if for some reason here it says stopped, then you click on it. You click on apply, okay, then you have to restart the PC and you should be good to go. Basically, the problem now is fixed, so let's just try it right away because I know that my problem is going to get fixed now because as you saw, the Rockstar game service library now it's running, so it should be good to go. And here you go. As you can see, the game or let's say the Rockstar library service just started, so now I can play the game. And I decided to make the video because this problem may appear in any Rockstar games. Let's say, for example, GTA 5 may have the same problems. Because it is a Rockstar Games library service problem, not the game problem itself. So that's why you can have this problem for other games too coming from Rockstar. So yeah, that was it for today. Hope this was helpful for you guys. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on notifications so you never miss one of my new videos. And yeah, as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.